Today we're going to show you how to start selling on Amazon in under 10 minutes. So welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please do subscribe. It does help us more than you can know. We post FBA videos every single Thursday, and in today's one we're going to be showing you exactly how to get set up on Amazon in under 10 minutes. Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, and it is such a great way to get your products in front of a huge audience. And specifically using their FBA service, it's such a great way to start your own business. It's totally hands-off. Amazon take care of storing your products, the customer service, sending the products out to your customer, and everything else. So all that's left for you to do is just find your products and send them into Amazon's warehouse. Now, quick disclaimer, it will take you a lot more than 10 minutes to actually get set up and selling, but today I'm just going to be talking you through the steps you need to take in under 10 minutes. So let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is set up your Amazon seller account. So of course you can't sell on Amazon without setting up an account. In order to do that, you head over to this page here, you'll see on my screen, become an Amazon selling partner. Now, I'm not going to be showing you how to actually set up your Amazon seller account today, just obviously we've only got 10 minutes. It's really straightforward to do. You just follow the steps, fill out your information. It is going to cost you to have an account, so we recommend to have a professional account, which is £25 plus VAT per month, or if you're in the US, it's $40 per month. This does allow you access to the buy box and open you up to millions and millions of sellers. Now, once you've got your Amazon account set up, you need to find your first FBA product. So let me show you some of the sort of things you can be selling on Amazon. So we're going to be specifically focusing on the arbitrage route. This is where you're taking advantage of pricing differences between retailers. So we're going to be showing you online arbitrage, which you're buying from online retailers. Now I'm going to be showing you just a few examples today. So the first one we've got here is from the website The Entertainer. So this one we can buy for £12. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see that it's currently selling on there for £24.99. So buying it for 12, selling it for £24.99. Now let's quickly show you the Amazon FBA data for this product. So here we have it on the Profitl Chrome extension. So we can see it sells 15 to 29 units a month. Based on these figures, it's going to make us around £6.08 profit per unit. That's including 20p per unit shipping. So FBA fee £2.89, referral fee £3.82. We've got 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, and this is how much stock they have. So not that much stock at all, actually, only 5 between them. One's got 0, one's got 4, one's got 0. So overall, that doesn't look like a bad product. Obviously, if we were actually buying it, we'd be doing a lot more analysis, but we have done more videos on that in the past, which I'll link just up here. So if you're more interested in the analyzing side, go check that out. So this next product we've got is from the website Ocado, and this is a slightly different one because it's actually a multi-pack product. So what that means is we can buy one of these on Ocado for £1, but if we head over to Amazon, we can see a 2-pack is actually selling for £4.98. So what is going to cost us £2 per unit, because we'd be combining 2 of them, we can sell for £4.98. So a nice difference there. So let's have a look on the Profitl extension and have a look at the data. So it's got decent sales, 91 to 210 units a month, decent reviews, a nice return on investment to 69%. So that's always our most important metric. So we're only making £1.51 per unit profit, but that's because we're spending a lot less money. If we're spending £100 and getting £1.51 profit per unit, that'd be rubbish, but it's only costing us £2 per unit, so our risk is very low, but that's absolutely great. Only 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, again, so not too much competition. Just one more product to show you, just to give you some examples of what you should be looking for, where you should be looking, and just the things you should be selling. So this one's from the website TK Maxx, and this one is a discounted item. It's this Barbie Skipper Babysitter's doll, which we can buy for £5 each. We head over to Amazon, we can see they're selling for £12.99 each. So a nice difference. On the Profitl extension, not bad sales, 15 to 29 units a month, a decent return on investment, 61%, giving us an estimated profit per unit of £3.17, and only 6 other FBA sellers on this listing. As I say, when we're actually looking for products, we do a lot more analyzing than I'm showing you just there. There is a lot more to it. We spend a lot of time looking at the price graphs, looking for things like IP risks by looking at the number of sellers on the listing. This is just to give you a quick and basic example of the sort of thing we're doing when trying to find Amazon FBA deals using the online arbitrage method. Now, once we've found our product, we obviously need to send them into Amazon's warehouse. Before we talk about that, I did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code to save you money on your Profitl subscription. I'll make it just pop up here. It will save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans. So make sure to take that down if you did want to save some money on your Profitl subscription. So you found your first product. You now need to send it into Amazon's warehouse. I'm not actually going to be showing you how to do it today. We have done a couple of videos showing this in the past just because we're limited on time, but we'll make a full video link just up here if you did want to see more detail. But it's really easy to do. You simply head on to Amazon's warehouse, you add the product into your inventory, you create your shipment, you add in all your product information, what size is the packaging, follow the steps through, and then you'll pick Amazon's partnered shipping, UPS. It's really cheap as well, it's really affordable, and then you can even arrange a free collection with UPS, so they'll come and pick it up from your address. You'll stick your label on your boxes and Amazon will take care of the rest. It will work its way to an Amazon fulfillment center. It might get sent off somewhere else, but then Amazon will take care of absolutely everything for you. You might even sell the products before they arrive at a certain fulfillment center. That can happen. So once you've done that and your products are in Amazon's warehouse, the only thing left to do is to wait for your products to sell. Now, as long as you've analyzed your products correctly, this should happen pretty quickly. Now, of course, not every buy you do is going to be a good one. You are going to make some mistakes, but that's all part of Amazon FBA. But the most important thing about Amazon FBA and the key to being successful is giving it time, not seeing it as a get-rich-quick scheme. It's really important to reinvest your profits into more stock. You just want to be increasing the number of products you're buying, increasing the quantity of products you're buying, increasing the number of lines you're selling, and look to branch out into other methods of FBA. So we've got arbitrage, we've got wholesale, and we've got private label. So most people start with arbitrage and then they add in wholesale and then they add in private label as they get more experience. Each one is more cash intensive, so you will need more money for both wholesale and private label. So that's how to start selling on Amazon in under 10 minutes. As I say, it is going to take you a lot longer to actually become successful and actually get set up. If you did want to see more detail about the actual steps of getting set up and selling, because some things I have had to miss out today, we have done a full YouTube video course totally for free. I'll link it just up here. So make sure to watch that if you do want to learn a bit more about the in-depth steps of Amazon FBA.